Cerebral visual impairment is a visual dysfunction from the damage to the brain, and this can happen at any moment in the child's development. And we have been able to talk about it today in terms of inclusive eye health, because it coexists with other neurodevelopmental disorders and disabilities. And many of these children actually need to have an intervention early enough to be able to support their function of vision and to be able to improve their quality of life. Light for the World has been very vital in establishing measures and helping us to set up an eye clinic or a health system that helps to be able to assess these children and to be able to give intervention for these children to actually improve their function of vision.
We are presenting our disability inclusive community conversation experience that we have been piloted in our Ethiopian country office. We found it to be very effective in reaching down to the community. It was a media for us to hear from the community and guide them to seek the eye health care.